How to move a sim into your household Sims 4. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to move a sim into your household Sims 4. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is save your game and manage your world. So head over to the world that you want to move that sim into. Now, once you have done that, the next thing you can do is to just click a property that you want to add them. So in here, just click on the property, and then from in there, you can add a sim. So in here, just create the sim, just add in some attributes, characters, rename them, all of that. Now, once you have done that, you can now move to that land that you have selected earlier. So just click on the check right here in order to move them to that land. The next thing you can do is to head over and move them out of that specific household. Now, once you have done that, you can just select a house on this entire map. So after you have selected the house, then you can see that there's someone living there. But still select that, and in here you can see the options to move in or to evict that specific person. So you can try to move them in order to have them move in. So click on move in and then click on the check mark right here in order to successfully move them in. Now once you have done that, they will specifically be added to each other's house and they will live on the same house. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to move a sim into your household Sims 4. If you have guns or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.